Yeah.
Yeah. They have been hibernated for 3 months about, yeah?
Yeah, 3 months.
Before Christmas till
Yeah.
19. You are writing everything,
Yeah.
the numbers. Oh.
So drops there.
And the weight after. Number and the weight of
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So the number and at the side of the number is the going in weight.
And this have been in fridge 2 hours ago. Now start to eat. Tortoise is going out of the fridge. There.
Right, so when it's long enough.
And these are eating now. Is it breakfast for them?
Yeah.
How many hours ago have you woke up them? This.
I've just got these. Have just come out.
This.
These, just before we come up to you.
Them about 2 hours.
Yeah.
After 2 hours from hibernation, they start to eat. And first, they must be
That's be good on YouTube, that.
flesh. Do you want to be seen on the YouTube?
Yeah.
Right, I'll get
Just-
two more, won't I?
What I would put it under, Joseph, if you're going to write on it, a successful fridge hibernation.
Okay, then I will write like that.
Because we developed this system years ago, 1989, something like that. 1987 we developed this system.
Okay.